Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, lot of weather disturbance over here. So, did you do homework?
Yes, sir.
Homework from homework.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Is it now? Is it okay?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, did you all do the homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You all got the answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll move on to the next question. We'll continue where we stopped yesterday. We stopped on the equation of this one. Let us say collinear points and the vertices of triangle and so on. Now we'll continue from there. Next question. Can you take the next question? From point P, perpendiculars M and N, perpendiculars M and N, that is, it will come PM and PN. Perpendiculars PM and PN are drawn to X and Y axis. So, from point P, perpendiculars PM and PN are drawn to X and Y axis. And the line MN, is passing through a fixed point A comma B. Is passing through the fixed point A comma B, and we have to find the focus of this point P. Then find the focus of point, not focus, sorry, locus of point P. So I'll draw the diagram by the given information. There is a point P. Let us take that point P as some. I am taking that point P as A comma B. No, I shall not. I shall take that as some alpha comma beta. Because there is one more point A comma B. No. So from this point we are drawing perpendicular to x-axis and y-axis. For x-axis it is PM, and for y-axis it is PN. And line MN, this line MN is passing through a fixed point. Let us say it has some A comma B. So now I want to find the locus of this point P. Listen carefully now. A point on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. I can write as x comma 0. A point on y-axis, x is 0. I can write as 0 comma y. I don't know how much distance this is, so I've taken this distance as x. I've taken this distance as y. So therefore, what happens here? M comma N comma A are in a straight line. That is collinear. One of the properties of collinear we discussed in 2D geometry. One of the concepts of collinear we discussed in 2D geometry was area of triangle. Area of triangle MN is equal to 0. When area becomes 0, it becomes a straight line, and we solved some of the problems on basing on this concept in the 2D geometry. introduction to 2D geometry, remember? When we introduced 2D geometry, we discussed something on collinear points, collinear. And there we discussed that if triangle ABC is equal to 0, then A, comma B, comma C are collinear. So basing on that property, I'm taking now MN and A are collinear, means the area of M and A should be equal to 0. Therefore, what is the point of M? M is equal to x comma 0. N is equal to 0 comma y, and A is equal to
A comma B.
A comma B. I have to take it as triangle AMAN. According to order, it is triangle MAN is equal to 0. That means, so area of a triangle is found out by many ways you can find out. I will take our determinant way, that is x0 1 y, sorry, a b 1, or else then 0 y 1 is equal to 0. So you know to expand this determinant, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will be, this will be equal to x into b minus y minus 0 plus 1 into ay
Minus
minus
B.
0
C.
is equal to 0. Now b into 0 is equal to 0. This will become,
Sir, can you repeat again?
see what I am doing is from first element I am taking x into, I am cross multiplying this one, b1
B.
b into 1 minus y into 1. So
Okay,
x
sir, understood.
y 0, if you multiply anything with 0, it will become 0. So I'm not doing anything for 0. So 1 with this called, I exclude the first line and the last row. So 1 into a into y means ay minus b into 0 is equal to 0. So 1 into ay minus 0 is equal to right hand side, there is 0. So the left out is x into b minus y plus ay is equal to 0. If I simplify this one, xb minus y
X5 plus
ay is equal to 0. That will be is equal to xb plus ay is equal to
XY.
If you want to simplify much more, this is a equation. If you want to simplify much more, you can make it as b by y plus a by x is equal to 1. So you can give options in any way. So you should be able to get it to different versions of the same equation. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Today at least some of you are responding. Or else usually the classroom was yes. Yes, any doubt? No doubt. Shall we go to the next question? Hello. Shall we go to the next question?
Sir, can you please repeat the question? Only question.
The question is, from point P, perpendiculars PM, PN are drawn to X and Y axis respectively. From point P, perpendiculars PM and PN are drawn to X and Y axis respectively. And the line MN passes to the fixed point A comma B. The line MN passes through the fixed point A comma B. Then the locus of P is, dash.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now we go for the next question. The next
Yes,
question
sir.
is very simple.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Everybody can do this question. Such a easiest question, this one. That is, the locus of a point, the locus of a point P, which is collinear with 3 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 3. Now we have to find out the locus of a point P that is collinear with this one. That means, let us say this is my A and this is my B. Somewhere P is there. P is collinear with all these points. So I have to find the locus of P. So this question is different from the other question, but the concept is easy. So I'll take P as x comma y. I'll take P as x comma y. So look at carefully. Huh? So when you look at this one, what comes to your mind? A general point P x comma y and 2 points are given. Anything is coming to your mind?
PA whole square plus
Sir, we
PB
should
whole
find
square.
the area of the triangle equal to 0.
But
Trisection.
trisection, more than that,
We can equal the area of the triangle to 0.
area of triangle can get to 0. Much more. Those things will complicate. One simple thing is that within one step you can get the answer. Already I got an equation.
PB
Equal
whole.
to PB.
Is equal to AB.
No, wrong.
Two slopes are equal, sir.
Oh my God, I already told one general point is given, 2 points are given.
Equidistant PA whole square plus PB whole square is equal to.
Oh my God, you're all, I don't know what, you're not thinking at all. 2-point forum. Do you remember something called 2-point forum?
Yes, sir.
2 points are given. Yes or no? A and B, 2 points are given. We're taking general point. The equation of the line will be y minus y1 by x minus x1
Y1 into X2
Is
y2
equal
minus
to
y1 by
Y2
x
minus
minus x1.
minus
No need of
X1
something.
minus
Just to
X1.
put the values there. Answer is over. Within 2 steps, you're getting the answer. No need of finding area of triangle, nothing. Just same method. So my point A is how much? My point A is equal to 3, 4 and B is equal to minus 4, 3. That is means this is my x1, x2, y1, y2. This y minus 4 by x plus 4, sorry, x minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 4 by x2 means minus 4 minus 3. This is equal to minus 7y plus 28. I'm simplifying, I'm skipping one step. This will be equal to minus 1 by 7. That will be equal to minus x plus 3. Take everything together now. X minus
Sir, minus
7y.
1 by minus 7.
That's what I multiplied. Minus 7y plus 28. That will be minus x plus, what is it? The plus, if x comes to say x
25.
plus 6 becomes plus x minus 7 plus 25 is equal to 0. So instead
Yes,
of worrying
sir.
about finding a area or finding a slope, so just you can do within 2 steps. Okay, what you told, you can do all those things. If area is equal to 0. So I'm telling every time, go for the shortest method possible, because our aim is to spare the time for the next question, next difficult question. Do you understand? Yes, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
students, if you understood, please say. Okay. Now next question, we'll go to the next question. A straight line of length 9 units. A straight line of a straight line's length is how many units? 9 units. It is sliding with its end AB along x and y axis. That means straight line is sliding along the x and y axis. We have to find the locus of triangle. That means they're telling straight line of length. The length of the straight line is 9 units. Along x and y axis respectively. That is on the x axis A and y axis B. Now I am getting a triangle over here. We have to find the locus of the centroid G. I have to find the locus of the centroid G. So see, this of the intersect form, yes or no? These are the intersect form. So from here to here, I'll take what is the distance from here to here? A. Therefore, this point will become A, 0. From here to here, the distance is how much? Love students.
0, comma
I. This will be distance is B.
B.
That will become 0, comma B. Concept origin is equal to 0, 0. So A is equal to A, 0. B is equal to 0, B. C is equal, sorry, 0 is equal to 0, 0. Therefore, the centroid of this triangle will call G is equal to A plus 0 will be A by 3, comma 0 plus B plus 0 will be B by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find the locus of the centroid. That means I'll take locus x comma y, and that is the locus of centroid, and value of centroid is equal to A comma 3, B comma 3. So therefore my x becomes how much? X becomes A by 3, and my y becomes
B by
B
3.
by 3. So if I cross multiply, this will become 3x is equal to A, 3y is equal to B. Squaring on both the side and adding both the equations, 9x square plus 9y square is equal to A square plus B square. So I have to simplify much more further. For simplification, they are given one this one. So this distance is my A, this distance is my B. This is how much? 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So by using Pythagoras theorem, here it is right angle triangle. So I am using Pythagoras theorem. So what happens? A square plus B square is equal to 9 square, that is equal to 81. Yes or no? So what
Yes,
is the value
sir.
of A square plus
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so what is the value of A square plus B square?
Yeah,
81.
81.
81. So I am taking 9 count from every side. So x square plus y square is equal to 9.
9.
So this is the locus of centroid. Did you understand this question, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. So can you
Excuse me.
please explain from A square plus B square?
From where you have to
A
explain?
square, A square plus B square.
So see, from year to year, it's a intercept form. We know the intercept form. The x-intercept will be A. So this is x-intercept. The y-intercept will be B. So it is becoming a right angle triangle. We know that right angle triangle is sum of the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the sides of the other two sides is equal to sum of the square of the hypotenuse. That is 9 square is equal to A square plus B square. So A square plus B square is equal to 9 square. The value of 9 square is equal to 81. Therefore, A square plus B square is equal to 81. So
Okay,
applying
sir.
this value of A square plus B square, that is A square plus B square is equal to 81. But common, it will be X square plus Y square is equal to 9. Now you go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
The next question is, let's try. T is a parameter. T is some parameter. Parameter means some variable used for making an equation, a parameter. Whereas point A is equal to A secant T, comma B tan T, and point B is equal to minus A tan T, B secant T, and origin is equal to 0, comma 0. Again, we have to find the locus of centroid of this triangle. A, point B, and point O. This triangle centroid is the equation we have to find out. First, we'll find the centroid of this triangle. G is equal to A secant T minus A tan T by 3, comma. That's what will become B tan T plus B secant T is equal to 3. This is the what is called centroid of this triangle. Since we have to find the locus of the centroid, so I'll take this point as a locus, a general point x comma y. X comma y is equal to a into secant t minus by 3, comma b into tan t plus secant t by 2. So I equate x coordinate with x coordinate. I equate y coordinate with y coordinate. So x will become what? X will become x by a is equal to secant t minus tan t. I send this 3 out from 3x by a. Here what happens? 3y by b is equal to tan t plus secant t. If you want to make an equation, means I know this parameter. What's the parameter they told? Parameter they told is t. So what last yesterday I told you what? Let us say we got an equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the parameter was a cos theta, comma b sin theta. Correct? Where my theta is a parameter. So when I remove theta from the point of this equation, yes or no? Parameter. Parameter means so the parameter for ellipse is like this. So now same thing we are getting an equation. To get the equation, we are given a parameter.
Sir, your voice is not
Secant
clear.
Wait, your voice is breaking.
hello. Is it okay now? But is it better?
No, sir.
No, is it okay? Hello, dear students, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now we have to remove the t. So remove the t, I have to bring it to the trigonometric identity of secant square. You know the trigonometric identity, no? I have to bring it to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Or else I have to bring it to secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So what I will do is I will multiply both the equations so I will get the trigonometric identity. So I'll multiply left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. That will become 9 xy ab is equal to secant t minus tan t into secant t plus tan t. So my right hand side will become how much? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square secant square t minus tan square t. We know that secant square t minus tan square t is equal to 1.
1.
Therefore, what happens? 9 xy is equal to ab. So 9 xy is equal to ab. This is the what is called as the locus or the center of the given triangle. Do you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The locus of point. They are given on point. We have to find the locus of that point. Point is tan theta plus sin theta, comma tan theta minus sin theta. Now, what is the thing is that now they are given this point, and we have to find this point. So as I told this one, the parameter here is theta. So I have to remove the theta. So P is a point that all no. So P x comma y is equal to P tan theta plus sin theta, tan theta minus sin theta. So now equate the coordinates. That will be is equal to x is equal to tan theta plus sin theta, and y is equal to
Tan
tan theta minus sin theta. So I am adding both the equations. What happens? X plus y is equal to 2 tan theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll subtract both the I'll subtract both the equation. X minus y is equal to 2 sin theta. Yes or no? So tan get cancels. Plus sign minus of minus sign will become plus sin theta plus sin will become 2 sin theta.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll divide both the equation. Divide. I'll take this as equation 1, equation 2. I'll divide both the equation. Then what happens? X plus y by x minus y is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 sin theta. 2 to get cancels. What is tan? Tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta
Yes,
by
sir.
sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled. So the left out is
1
1 by cos
1
theta
by cos theta.
by 1. That is equal to x plus y by
Secant.
x minus y is equal to
Secant theta.
secant
Secant.
theta. Now what you can do is squaring on both the sides. Square on both the sides. What happens is if you square on both the sides, that implies x plus y whole square by x minus y whole square is equal to secant square theta. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am squaring on both the sides. When I do squaring on both the sides, it becomes x plus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square is equal to secant square theta. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now let this equation be like that. So now I'll come this side. Now I'll take x plus y. What is the value of x plus y? X plus y is equal to 2 tan theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I will square this equation on both the sides. This will become x plus y whole square is equal to 4
4
tan square
tan
theta.
square theta.
So I'll keep my left hand side as it is. 4 tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. See, secant square theta has got a value. What is the secant square theta value is here? X plus y whole square by x minus y whole square. I'll put that value here. That is 4 x plus y whole square by x minus y whole square minus 1. Now a simplification you have to do is 4 into x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square by x minus y whole square. Fraction, subtraction. So what is left out here? X plus y whole square. So I'll send this one this side, cross multiply. So x plus y whole square into x minus y whole square is equal to 4 into this. I'll split it. This one's x square plus y square plus 2xy minus x square minus y square plus 2xy. This one get cancels. So this is here a plus b whole square by a minus b whole square. So it becomes a square minus b square whole square. That is, sorry, that will be x square minus y square whole square. So the here what is left out is 4, 2xy become 4xy. 4 plus 4 is 16xy. So this will be our final locus of the equation. And if you want to simplify much more further, we can do it much more further. X square minus y square is equal to 4 root xy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Yes. Any doubt? Anything that any step that I want to repeat it again?
Sir, we can write 4xb.
Pardon? No, I'm taking square root. Square root means root of 16 is 4. Square root of x and y is root xy.
In up equations, sir.
I get you.
Up equation.
Uh,
4 into x plus y minus x minus y whole square. We can write 4ab.
just a minute. Which step you're telling?
4 into x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. Sir.
4 is outside. I'm not done anything with 4. Just a minute. With 4, I'm not anything. 4 is outside only. I'm simplifying only inside. When I simplified inside, what I got is when I simplified this one, I got x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. Left out is this one. That is 4 into 4xy. 4 into 4xy will be equal to 16xy. If you take inside of the same thing only, 4x square plus 4y square plus 8xy. If you take inside also, this will be 4x square plus 4y square plus 18 plus 8xy minus 4x square minus 4y plus 8xy. So this one get cancelled again to get 16xy. Whether you do that way or whether you do this way, you'll get both the same thing only. Whichever method you feel comfortable, you feel that method comfortable and easy, not confusing, you use that one. Do you understand, dear students? Excuse me.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall we go
sir.
for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question. Next question. This is also one of the easiest question. We have to find the locus of the point. Find the locus of the point. Find the locus of the point. Find the locus of the point of the intersection of two lines. Find the locus of the point of intersection of two lines. Find the locus of the point of intersection of two lines. Lines are y plus mx is equal to root of a square m square plus b square and my minus b is equal to root of a square plus b square m square. So now we have to find the locus of the, let us say this is one line and this is one line. But there is one intersection point P. We have to find the intersection of that point P here.
Sir,
Yes, hello.
is it m by minus b or x?
My minus b.
Okay, sir.
My minus b. Sorry, sorry. It is supposed to be my minus 6. Sorry. Because only one intercept will come there, no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So my minus 6 is equal to root of a square plus b square by m square. So see here, two lines are intersecting, means they should intersect at one point, one common point. So I'll take that a point as ph comma h. Okay. So I'll take my point of intersection as ph comma k. And we know that if this at this point, if two lines are just intersecting means both the lines should satisfy this point. It's almost like there's a point on the line means this point has to satisfy that line. These two lines are intersecting means the point is lying on both the line. The point is common for both the line. Therefore, point H comma K has to satisfy this line, has to satisfy this line. You understand? No? So two lines are intersecting. So I'm considering this point P as H comma.
Sir,
Theory
your
of
voice, sir, your voice
Hello?
voice is not reaching us.
Just a minute. Is it okay now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I've taken my point of intersection as PH comma K. So, this line this point is common for both the lines. Both lines are passing through that point. That means both the lines should satisfy that point. Means if I put that point in the equation, both the should satisfy. So, taking that basic idea of 2D geometry, I'm going to solve it. So, first equation, my first is y plus mx
Voice is
is
still
equal to root
not
of
clear.
y plus mx is equal to root of a square m square plus b square. Is it okay now? Or is it still breaking?
No, sir. I think I
No,
think it
friends,
is clear.
is it okay? Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can't help today. From evening, we have got a heavy rain. At least now there is some power. So only instead of taking the class at 7 o'clock, I'm taking now. I'm a Gen Z class. So sudden climate changes the reason. So now I have taken my point h comma k. So this point h comma k has to satisfy point. So I have to put wherever x is, I have to put h, and wherever y is, I have to put k. So this will become how much? K plus my is equal to a square m square plus b square. That is under root.
Sir, sir,
This is why I take this as equation.
sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Here K plus
Yes, Vignesh.
MH.
Sorry, MH. Sorry. Now my second equation, my minus x is equal to root of a square plus b square m square. So when I put that equation to this, mk or km minus h is equal to root of a square plus b square m square. What I will do is, I'll take my equation 1 and square it on both the sides. So which is my equation 1? This is my equation 1. If I do squaring on both the sides, it becomes k square plus m square h square plus 2mkh is equal to a square m square plus b square.
Sir,
Yes.
I think we don't need to be squaring on both sides. If we took the root from here to left hand side, it will become square now.
No, to remove the root only, we have to take the square.
Yeah,
How do you
sir.
take the root? For removing the root, we have to square. We can't take simply the root like that. For removing the root only, we have to do the squaring.
Okay, sir.
Since the root is on the left hand side, to remove the root only, we are doing squaring. So now second equation will become m square k square plus h square minus 2m kh is equal to a square plus b square m square. Now I'll add both the equation. These two get cancels. So what happens is k square plus m square k square plus m square h square plus h square. This side will be a square m square plus a square plus b square plus b square m square. So this will be here. Both the side k square is common. I take k square common outside. The left out is 1 plus m square. Here h square is common. I take h square outside. It will become m square plus 1. So I can write as 1 plus m square. Here also a square is common. I take a square. So 1 plus m square is left out. Here also b square is common. I take b square. So left out is 1 plus m square. So look at careful book here now. 1 plus m square is common. I take 1 plus m square outside. The left out is k square plus h square. So here what is left out is again 1 plus m square is common. So a square plus b
B
square.
square.
1 plus m square, 1 plus m square get cancelled. So k square plus h square is equal to a square plus b. What is this k square plus k plus k comma h? So h comma k is my general point of intersection. So if you take it in the form of x comma y, it becomes x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the equation of the point of intersection. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
With regard to
Yeah, sir.
Vignesh, your doubt, to remove, you can't, there is no other method of removing the root here. Because there is, in left hand side, there is combination of two terms, plus or minus. Whether it is combination of two terms or single term also, to remove the root, we have to do squaring only. Only then we can remove the root.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Vignesh?
Yeah, sir.
That is often we itself can send the root that side. That is not sending the root that side. That is removing. This we are doing squaring. Just we are squaring. Just for
Okay, sir.
clarifying your doubt.
Okay. Sir, your voice is not clear. Once again.
Just a minute. Is it okay now?
Yeah,
So
sir.
once show the answer, I need to copy.
You want to copy it? Just a minute. You want to copy from the beginning?
Okay, sir. I have taken a screenshot.
Okay. So now we take the next. Taking screenshot is good, but writing it in the notes is very important. Usually, I never encourage students to take screenshot. So only I'm not posting the question in the slides now. Earlier, I was pasting the questions on the slide, and one thing suddenly something prompted me. Are these students really writing the question and answer in the book? So only from past 3-4 classes, I'm not pasting and coming any questions. So I'm like dictating. So taking screenshot is good, but we don't know screenshot where it is there. It will be all in the gallery as it is. But writing it in a book will always help you out. So we go to the next question. Coordinates of point A and B are A, A comma 0 and B minus A comma 0. So A and B are two coordinates and their coordinates are A comma 0 and minus A comma 0. There is point P. Let us say some point P as some x comma y. I am considering this point. They are not given in the question. So there is one point P x comma y. They are given the condition of this point P. What is this point P's condition? It is satisfying a condition P A square minus PB square is equal to 2K square. where k is a constant, where k is some constant. Now I have to find the equation of the locus of this point P. Now I have to find the equation of the locus of this point P. So already we solved this question yesterday of this type. So I'll be telling how to do. First find PA square value, then find the PB square value, then substitute the equation and simplify. You'll get an answer.
Sir,
And your answer should be k square plus 2ax is equal to 0. Plus,
sir,
plus
is it PS square minus PB square or PS square plus P square?
PA square minus PB square is equal to k square. There
Okay,
is no
sir.
concept of ellipse or hyperbola here, just normal condition of points.
Okay, sir.
Still you have not gone to the problems on ellipse or hyperbola or parabola. Still you are on straight lines and points only. Don't worry, locus is a little bigger chapter. Lot of problems are there to solve. Just we are began the trailer of this one. The main picture is yet to come. Not that I am frightening you, but I am telling, still we have to go long way. So this is one question as a homework. I'll give one more question as a homework for you. One more question is,
Someone say the answer again.
the answer is k square plus 2ax is equal to 0. You have to get that answer. So next is P 0, 1, Q 0, minus 1, R 0, 2. So we have got 3 points, P 0, 1, Q 0, minus 1, R 0, 2. And there is one more point, S. Let it be. What is this S is doing? S is satisfying a condition, that is SQ square plus SR square is equal to 2SP square. Point S is satisfying one condition, SQ square plus SR square is equal to 2SP square. And we have to find the locus of this point S. And we have to, after finding the locus of this point S, we have to say what is that equation of locus is, what type of equation is. Is it an equation of circle? Is it an equation of a ellipse? Or is it an equation of a straight line? If it is a straight line, what kind of straight line? Straight line, equation of two parallel straight lines, or equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis or y-axis, or intersecting line, or line passing through origin. So you have to specify at the end. So you have got two duties to be done in this question. First thing, you have to find the locus of S. And second thing, you have to say what is the type of the locus in this equation.
Sir, I've gotten the answer.
Yes, what is the answer?
K square plus 2ax equal to 0.
No. Somewhere you have gone wrong.
Sir, not this one, the above question.
K square plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, that is okay.
Okay.
So
Sir, can you say the above question what we should take k square?
K square is same K square. I am not taken any K square. What is given in the condition, same thing only. Nothing I am doing extra. I am taking this condition, that's all. PA square minus PB square is equal to 2K square. Your value is to only find PA square and PB square. Put in the equation and simplify that equation. It will hardly take 1 minute or 2 minutes, that's all. You have to find PA square, PB square, put the value of PA square and PB square in the equation, simplify it, and simplify, you get this answer as the equation. So we get this equation as an answer. And here, same thing, find SQ square, SR square, 2SP square, simplify the equation, bring it to some standard form. You have learned a lot of standard forms of equation. So bring it to standard form of equation. You know it. What kind of how many standard forms are there? You have
I heard
discussed a
that.
lot of standard forms. So
Sure.
bring that. Yes.
I had a doubt.
Yes. Please.
Here 2p square now. Is it square for whole 2sp or only sp square?
No, only SP square. Only SP
Okay, sir.
square. If that is the case, I will write like this. 2sp whole square.
Okay, sir. I think you have forgotten. That's why I had asked.
It's only 2sp square. The square
Okay,
is
sir.
only for sp, not for 2. So we'll take this as homework. Of course, I have to give another 2 questions as homework that I'll give tomorrow. I shall not burden you with lot of questions. 2 questions, one every day will be far better. Okay, we'll stop the class here. We'll meet tomorrow once again. And again, I'm reminding you, please go through the entire theory or the concepts what we learned on conic section and straight lines and 2D geometry. 2D geometry concepts of incenter, excenter, centroid. Collinearity itself, we learned lot of formulas. Area of triangle, we learned lot of formulas. So all those things, please go through. So only once we keep on going through, only it becomes an habit. Without your knowledge, the formula will come to your hand. It becomes a routine practice. Like. So
Sir, I
I
got
see.
answer
Sir?
for this question, sir.
No, we will discuss tomorrow because I have got one more class now. We'll discuss tomorrow in the class. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, students, again, we will have class tomorrow morning from 5 to 7. Right? So, bye, everyone. We will meet again tomorrow morning, 5 to 7.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.